The birds in the trees at dusk know me as well as any other perceived being. They sing my name with each sound. I dance underneath the trees as they chirp away in near darkness. I chirp back. Me and St. Francis, though I don't know if he danced with the birds as well. Perhaps he was content simply to converse with them. The birds and I are as connected as this dream of imaginary separation will ever allow anyone or anything to seem connected. And yet, it is only the imagined separation that allows the appearance of connection, of communication. We are clothed in language. Naked, we do not exist. And underneath the clothes, are we not all naked? And yet, the imaginary beauty of the world is bathed in colors our brain creates. It is a magnificent illusion. Without the distance between the light and the screen, there is no movie. I imagine a future story where I am going to a place I can dance with the birds without fear of being institutionalized as a mad woman, though a mad woman I am. But what cell could ever hold me when there is never a key to lock me behind any conceptual door? This is the prison break. The seeker thinks it is freedom, liberation, awakening, enlightenment. The guru complies by naming it all these positive, wonderful sounding words. If it was instead called self-loss, no-being, and darkenment, there would be mostly empty seats at satsangs. Endarkenment. That is what I name it. That is what I speak of, if anything at all. Come dance with me inside the black hole on a dance floor made of dark matter, where light cannot escape. It doesn't need to try. But no one really teaches. No one seeks. No one loses what they never had. That's the game of it. I am losing my ability to respond to people. I know the correct non-dual answers, and I know the correct not non-dual empathetic answers, but they are all lies. And how can I lie to those I love? Well, those I see as made of love, when even the love stuff begins to sound fake. My words can never do what nothing can ever do. And I can't even say I love you. But hey, I never promised you a rose garden. Well, now the morning birds are calling. I will learn the language of the birds and fly away on the wings of dreams, my beloveds. You all break my heart open in ways I cannot even begin to express, as tears and that unnameable emotion I can still only call love drowns me in an ocean of starlight.